Good early Sunday morning, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Time for big picture weather from the Weather Pros. Taking a look at our helicity scale, and you can see we're going to have some interesting weather going on tomorrow evening into Monday. Some shear that may cause some quasi-linear convective systems and possibly some spin-up tornadoes. The best bet's going to be down here in the Carolinas through Florida, but there is a chance here in Virginia, and I'll show you why here in a couple of minutes, or I'll say a minute or so. Rainfall, though, is going to be heavy. We're talking about 3 inches of rain between now and Monday morning. That's a lot of rain here in Roanoke. If you really follow it, it's the Appalachians and the Blue Ridge that could really get in this rain. So we're taking a look at a radar. And you can tell here, this is a semicircle, and there's a low pressure system actually here. That's the problem. We're going to have the easterly and northeasterly winds pushing up against the mountains with lift, and thunderstorms occurring, and those low top thunderstorms could go and become an issue for quick-paced tornadic thunderstorms. Low levels, really quick warnings when they come out on these. These are more of a QCLS or a QLCS, a quasi-linear convective system type of a threat here. And when we move it along a little bit, you see this is the low right here, and everything's pushing in this general direction to the north and the west. So this whole area has a shot of severe weather. Right now it looks like we're right on the border with the marginal risk, but this may shoot up a little bit tomorrow. I think there's a good chance of that occurring. Taking a look at the Roanoke sounding, you see there is winds from two separate directions. On a right-hand turn here a little bit in the hodiograph, this goes past the classic supercell. So there's a few things that are on the side of the chances of the quasi-linear convective system type of thing going on. Now Florida is even better. The risk is for tornadoes, and the STP is up near 2, so it's pretty high. You got a right-hand turning hodiograph, which would really push in the threat for tornadoes down towards Orlando. And we continue on, and here's the low pressure system in central Virginia at 18Z or 15Z on Monday. You see showers and thunderstorms, a lot of rain. This is going to turn to a nor'easter off the coast. A lot of rain, a lot of wind pushing into the New Jersey coastline. Coastal flooding would be likely along the coast, and this will be all rain, no snow. So, that being said, watch out tomorrow for the potential for severe weather, possible tornadoes. I will be on this tomorrow, and make sure you're updated with any late-breaking weather information. Meteorologist Dean Davison. You can follow me at Twitter at DDDLWB, Facebook.com/Dean.D.Davison, or Facebook.com/LiveWeatherBlogs, or LiveWeatherBlogs.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. And that is Big Picture Weather.